Okay, class, we continue 2.4, question 2H. So this one I will share also using both method. If you are using formula, so how you're going to solve this, how to do differentiation for this. So make sure this one is in the form of, I will let it equals to y, in the form of bracket power something. So this one is not yet bracket power something. So need to do modification. So it will become bracket, okay, power, square root is power 1 over 2. So already it's this one, so I can use formula straight away, yx, so I have dy dx. Then I will have 1 over 2 times 1, I have 1 over 2, bracket copy down, and then the power minus 1, so 1 over 2 minus 1 become minus 1 over 2. After this, remember do one more step, which is multiply, differentiate the thing inside this bracket. So differentiate x power 2, so here you have 2x, 2x, power minus 1 become power 1. Differentiate minus 1x, so remaining minus 1. Differentiate 1, differentiate number, getting 0. So that's why you have this step here. Next step, just rearrange. So we have 2x minus 1 over 2, meaning that divide by 2. Power negative, meaning that at the bottom here, this thing at the bottom here, and then you have power 1 over 2, meaning that square root. So we have square root here. This is the answer after differentiate using the formula. So if you want to differentiate using the chain rule, so it will be like this. So what you do is the same thing. Make sure it's in the form of bracket power something. So now first step for chain rule, let the thing inside bracket equals to u. So now u is x squared minus x plus 1. So ux, go to find du dx. So we have 2x minus 1. And then step 2. So look back the original question. The equation become y equals to u power 1 over 2. So yu dy du. Then you have 1 over 2 u power negative 1 over 2. Power minus 1. Step 3, make the chain rule. So you want to find dy dx. So dy dx equivalent. Dy put here, dx put here. So remaining is du. So du, you write down here du. So now you have dy du. So dy du is this one, 1 over 2 u power negative 1 over 2 du dx is this one, 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1. Next step, just rearrange. So now you have 2x minus 1 over 2. So u power negative at the bottom, so I write like this. Power 1 over 2 actually is square root. So the last step, just substitute back the u here. The u that you have, just substitute back this one. Then you can get the answer straight away. I substitute into this one, sorry. So over 2 square root x squared minus x plus 1. Like this. Okay, you can get the same answer using both